Hi friends, my name is Professor Satyam Shambakre. We are going to learn new interesting topic about how to solve problems on IR spectroscopy. Mainly distinguish between two organic compounds by spectroscopy is most important problem asked in examination. So in examination, these questions are asked about distinguished organic compounds by IR spectroscopy for 2 marks. Also, this is important topic according to competitive examinations. So dear friends, now we are going to solve first problem on our first problem on spectroscopy. So here is the first problem. There are two compounds, cyclohexanone and cyclopropanone. So how these two compounds distinguish by IR spectroscopy? So solution for this problem. So as ring size decreases, angle strain increases. Due to increase in angle strain, carbonyl stretching frequency increases. So cyclopropanone have more angle strain. Due to this, carbonyl stretching frequency is higher, 1818 per centimeter, while in cyclohexanone it is 6-membered ring, so it is less strain system. So due to this, carbonyl stretching frequency is lower. So now we move towards next problem, in which paramethyl benzaldehyde and acetophenone, we are going to distinguish this two organic compound by using IR spectroscopy. So solution for this problem. So as you see in slide, so there are two compounds. First is paramethyl benzaldehyde, so in which aldehyde group is present. So aldehyde group shows CH stretching frequency in the range of 2700 to 2900 per centimeter, while in case of acetophenone it has ketonic functional group. So due to this, aldehydic stretching frequency absent in acetophenone. So in examination you should only write distinguish frequencies. So same frequency you should not be write in your examination. Now we move towards next problem. In our next problem, how we will follow reaction by IR spectroscopy. So in this reaction, starting compound is cyclohexanol, which shows IR stretching frequency at 3600 to 3500 per centimeter. As in second step, oxidation occurs, OH group convert into carbonyl group. Due to this, IR stretching frequency 3600 to 3500 due to OH group disappear, and new carbonyl stretching frequency at 1710 per centimeter observed. In next step of this reaction, carbonyl functional group react with ylide. So ylide convert carbonyl functional group into alkene. So due to formation of alkene, carbonyl stretching frequency, which is observed at 1710 per centimeter, is now disappear, and new IR stretching frequency of alkene 1620 to 1680 appear in IR spectrograph. This is all, friend. We have solved 3 problems on IR spectroscopy by using very simple method. This helps to you solve different problems asked in examinations. Thank you.